How to unlock Telegram group chat. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process, so let's just get started. First of all, when you head over to Telegram application, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. So if you're looking to unlock a Telegram group chat, you cannot do it through the application. You need to head over to the website for that. So let's close this and head over to website, for example, Chrome or any other web browser that is available to you. After that, go to the web version of Telegram and log in into your account. And you should be finding this particular interface. Now, what you need to do next is you need to look out for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on it and open up a menu on your screen. Now from here, basically tap on settings icon and tap on it and open it up. And once you open it up, you may scroll down from the given options and head over the option called privacy and security and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding different options. You may scroll down from the given options and here we will be finding these options available. So if you have locked any chat or if any of your chat has been hidden, we should be finding option called show chat name. So what you need to do is if this option is turned off, you may just check mark this option. And similarly, if we have this show hidden plus content, just go ahead and turn this option as well. And basically once this is done, you can refresh your Telegram and you should be finding Telegram group chat back on your screen. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to unlock your Telegram group chat, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.